Hi, this is Sharon Jackson with Trustpoint 1. Many attorneys have been asking how virtual depositions work exactly, either because they've never done one before or they just want a refresher. So I've asked one of the law firms we work with to make a short mock deposition so you will all be more familiar. On the call, we'll have Chris Simon as the taking attorney, Tyler Bridgers as the defending attorney, Harrison Spires as the witness, and I will be acting as the court reporter. So now I'll transfer over to the virtual deposition.
This is going to be the deposition of Harrison Spires, taken pursuant to OCGA 911-30. The existing Supreme Court order and the governor's emergency order, which are in place at this time due to the viral outbreak. Parties have discussed and agreed to stipulate that this telephonic and remote deposition will proceed in the same manner and be used for all purposes, which an in-person deposition might be used in normal circumstances. The parties are aware that the court reporter is taking down the deposition remotely, and any objections to the proximity of the court reporter is hereby waived. Is that agreed by all?
That's agreeable.
This deposition is being taken pursuant to the Georgia Civil Practice Act. It's being taken for all purposes allowable under that act. We've discussed objections off the record, and we've all agreed to reserve all objections except as to form of the question or responsiveness of the answer. Is that agreed to?
That's agreeable.
All right. Madam Court Reporter, if you could swear in our witness, Mr. Spires, please.
Harrison, would you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Mr. Spires, could you please tell us your full name?
Harrison Wade Spires.
And can you tell me whether you've ever been deposed before?
I have not.
All right. Have you ever filed bankruptcy?
No,
Have you ever been arrested?
I have.
How long have you worked for this company?
10 years.
And can you give us an idea of your educational background?
I did 4 years at University of Georgia, graduated in 2000, and went on to 4 years at Harvard Medical School.
That's impressive. I'm going to ask you to take a look at a document that we have previously marked as Plaintiff's Exhibit Number 1. It should appear on your screen in just a moment. Do you have that in front of you, Mr. Spires?
I do.
All right. I ask you to take a look at the top of the document. It tells us the date of the incident that we're here about today was March the 6th, 2020. Do you see that?
I do see that.
Okay. And would you agree that the time was approximately 5:41 in the morning?
Yes.
All right. Folks, at this point, I'm going to switch to a different view. There are a couple of options as to which view you get for depositions. So we're going to go to the gallery view now. Some people want to see what opposing counsel sees. So, Mr. Spires, can you please tell us about your hobbies?
My hobbies?
Yes.
Well, I like to play golf. I exercise a good bit. I will occasionally go fishing.
Mr. Bridgers, you don't have any objection to this, do you?
I strenuously object.
There you go. All right, folks. Thank you very much, everyone. I'm going to stop the recording.